there's a witch of the West, East, and South, who is the witch of the North? Now, I'm sure if the only frame of reference you have for Oz is the 1939 film starring Judy Garland, you're sitting here going, the Witch of the North, that's Glinda. But actually, in L. Frank Baum's novel, The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, Glinda is the Witch of the South. To simplify the story for a 3-act structure, MGM decided to combine the characters of Glinda, the Witch of the South, and the Witch of the North together to make Glinda the Witch of the North. That way she could serve as a bookend force for the narrative. But in fact, the Witch of the North looks like this. Baum describes her like this: a little woman whose hat was white, she wore a white gown that hung in plaits from her shoulders. Over it were sprinkled little stars that glistened in the sun like diamonds. She approaches Dorothy with some other munchkins, and she does not have a bubble. She just turns on her heel and appears and disappears. And when Dorothy asks her, wait, how do I get out of here? What do I do? She uses a magic slate upon which is written, "Let Dorothy go to the City of Emeralds." Now, Baum, who didn't give a fig for continuity, sometimes called her Locusta, in other adaptations called her Tatty Poo. In The Wiz, she's known as Ada Pearl. We never really get any backstory on her, and we don't really see her again in the book series after the first book. But she's essential in sending Dorothy on her journey. Not only does she tell her to go to the City of Emeralds, but she gives her the Wicked Witch of the East's silver shoes.